How to link Facebook account with AFK or nah? Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to link Facebook account with AFK or nah. Linking Facebook account with AFK or nah is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open AFK or nah, launch the game, start the AFK or nah game on your device. Access the profile menu, profile icon, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the main screen. Go to setting button, tap the setting button to open the setting menu. Link Facebook account, look for an option labeled account management or similar in the setting menu. Link Facebook, find the option to link your Facebook account. It might be labeled as link Facebook, connect to Facebook or something similar. Sign into Facebook, you will be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Enter your Facebook credential and authorize the connection if needed. Confirm the link, confirm any prompts or permission required by Facebook to complete the linking process. And here you go, that's how you can link it. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.